Welcome folks to the line. On today's Trap and Tail, we're going to do a River Otter set. How to set a River Otter set. So here we go. We have bait, coffee syrup, a drag, conibear safety, 220 conibear, an axe, and some twigs. On this waterway here, we got the River Otter track that's fresh. Try to punch a hole through there, and he's going underneath the ice there. Perfect opportunity to set a trap. Okay, first thing I'm going to do, I already preset this trap. I'll have another video later how to set conibear traps with using a setter. This is already, springs are compressed already. Set this 220 here. Multiple ways you can set the trigger. River Otter, I'm going to open her up pretty wide, get their heads in there and catch them around their body and their chest, and hopefully for a double spring catch. Like that. Flip these safeties off. Come in here and try to just see how I want to put my trap. I'm going to try to use this ice already. Set that there. Take some willows. Oh, get you in there. Put you right here. Down in here. Right there to hold the trap. Another one on this side. A couple of them. Just want to tack it. You don't need to have much. To hold it in place. Once you disturb the snow, it will freeze pretty hard. Want to keep it natural as possible. Got this wire wrapped around here. Alright, like that. Try not to stick your fingers in just like I did, but that's why I have a safety on there. I'm going to use this drag here. I'm going to kind of prop this drag up here. Kind of deter them from going above the trap. I'll show you later how I'm going to cover that up. Get this wire up and around here. Put it to the drag. Kind of want to wire it somewhat tight. Might have a Wolverine slide in here. I had that happen before. Kind of universal traps here. This set. Like this. Wire it back to itself. That's sewn. I'm going to make sure this doesn't fall into it. Nice and solid. Now build up snow so there's no snow covering your trap. Like this. Really liking that, so I'm going to take another willow here and stick it through here. Get that out of the way. There we go. Take some more here. Kind of cover this up here. I want to try to isolate them to go right through his original trail. Right there. And kind of deter them to go in that same hole, on the same trail. Maybe patch this up a little bit, make that set up a little bit. That way, the only option is to go through there. And you drop your fish skin down in there. That's sewn. There we go. A little coffee syrup, give them a flavor before lights go out. Right there. This is a pretty simple set. Now you are ready. I just want to fix this here, guys. Yep, see, that's the example why you have a safety. Didn't like how it was. I'm going to reset it. Okay, now I like that. I'll pull it out there. Usually I put sticks underneath here so it doesn't freeze, but this is 1.5 feet of snow, so I'm not too worried about overflow. That looks pretty decent there, and I'm going to take that off. And there it is. River Otter set. Kind of brush this out here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.